Good day, everyone. I am Francis Ann Esidar. The novel that I choose is The Safe Sky Archer. So for the introduction, why I choose this novel, because well-developed characters, particular Yana and Hero, finding them relatable and engaging. The story explores theme of healing and love, creating an emotional connection with readers. So for the summary, Yana is a separated woman and Hero as aspiring pilot who internally agree to a casual relationship. The story set in the university environment of the Philippines, specifically De La Salle University and Far Eastern University, explores how they conceal their desires with the development and genuine feelings and the sacrifice involved. Their paths cross again later, adding complicity to their relationship. Next is the characters. For the characters, we have Hero. Hero's likely centers around his pursuit for his dreams and the complicities of his relationship with Yana. So Yana likely explores themes of letting go, sacrifice, and the enduring power of feelings. So Shan is the best friend of Akihiro. He's involved his own romantic pursuits and how his friendship with Akihiro involves the letters relationship. Next is the themes and message. So the story explains with it means to grow up, make decisions under pressure, and accept the consequences of one's action. Archer has to learn who to trust and how to trustworthy himself. The importance of friendship, loyalty, and empathy is emphasized throughout. The balance between feeling safe and having the freedom to explore, grow, and make decisions, make choices. For the personal options, Archer is a realistic and grounded thin character. His inner truths and struggles feel authentic, making it easy for the young readers to connect with him. And the novel captures the feeling of transitions when you're not quite a kid anymore, but not feeling an adult. It explore how people growth often comes and through difficult challenges and expected situation. So my favorite scene when Yana forgiving her mother and it's a quiet but powerful, and the scene tells into one of the novel's core message. People make mistakes often out of fear or love, and forgiveness is part of growing up. Yes, I would recommend Safe Sky Archer. Not enjoy the despite on your taste in romance novels. If you enjoy stories with emotional complicity, character, and a contemporary setting, is conclusion. Safe Sky Archer offers a compelling explorations of love, sacrifice, and the pursuit of dreams, wrapped in a potentially emotionally resonant narrative. Emphasize the importance of understanding and valuing others despite their path, experience, and superficial appearance. It highlights the need for empathy and looking beyond initial judgments. So that's all. Thank you.